going on, everybody? I'm Zack. I'm a recruiter here at 5-Star Home Healthcare.
And I'm Christian. I'm the business analyst here at 5-Star.
Yeah, so 5-Star Home Healthcare has been around for 20 plus years. It was founded by our CEO, Johnny Wilkinson. Think of 5-Star Home Healthcare as an overarching umbrella term for our three branches of home healthcare. So we have our home healthcare, which is skilled nursing, PT, OT, speech, MSW, things of that nature, where we go into the home and provide skilled care. We have Retire in Place, which is our personal care division. And what you get out of that is everything that you would get in a senior living facility inside of the home. And as of most recent, we have home-based primary care, which is our 5-Star house calls. That is primary care in the home. We have nurse practitioners and physician assistants who will provide care inside of your home. We are also on the brink of entering the behavioral health scene. So we might start with behavioral health here soon. But right now, 5-Star Home Healthcare has 3 specific branches. So we also offer dementia support through the Medicare Guide program, as well as veteran support. It's important to note our specific service areas that we provide care to. So our main office is here in Chantilly, Virginia. We span all the way to Winchester, Virginia, which is another one of our branch offices. And as of most recent, we have an office in Fredericksburg, Virginia. So we have 3 offices right now, hoping to open one in Richmond here soon. Yeah, so Christian here is our business analyst. He's knows so much about the company behind the scenes, what's going on. So he's going to talk a little bit about what we have in store.
Yeah, so we have a bunch of stuff coming new. We have 2026 Toyota Corollas for our clinicians coming. We also have new Samsung Galaxy tablets for our clinicians.
So one really important thing about 5-Star right now is that we are developing a brand new sales team. Our sales director, Tiffany Dawson, who is a phenomenal person and leader, she started out as a business development manager and was ultimately promoted into the director role. So along with her, right now working on recruiting a team of 3 business development managers, 1 for each branch of our company. So far, we've hired 2 BDMs, 1 for Fredericksburg and 1 for Fairfax, and we are looking to close the Winchester job opening here soon. So a new sales team means new opportunities and new business for 5-Star Home Healthcare.
We want to get AI really integrated in 5-Star, right?
So. Yeah. So Kathy, our COO, she has started what we're calling the AI task force, which is Christian, myself, and Gabe. We all have 3 very different roles. However, we're trying to find the best way to integrate AI into those roles. So what are some ways that you're working as a business analyst to use
So
AI?
one thing is we're trying to automate our intake processes.
Okay.
So AI will be able to grab data from our referral sources, put them into our home care home-based software we use. It's our EHR.
Yeah.
And it'll save a lot of time for our intake team. And rather than focusing on data entry and spending all their time there, they can focus more on the patients and interact with them more.
Awesome. And then I guess from my perspective, from a recruitment perspective, one thing I really want to focus on for AI is like sourcing. So finding the best way to streamline finding candidates, as well as just integrating it into our applicant tracking system so that we can hire the best candidates in the most timely manner and make things more efficient, just in terms of talent acquisition in general for the company. So I guess, would you say a lot of new things are happening here at 5-Star?
Yeah, we started focusing more on recruiting, marketing.
Yeah.
We hired Gabriel, who is our digital marketing coordinator. He's been really working on helping us with ads and really getting our presence out there online.
Yeah, definitely. I've been here since last October, and I can say that before we started integrating marketing here, we just had no online presence. We didn't have a website. Now we have 3 websites, 1 for each division, and yeah, we're moving up tremendously in terms of making our presence felt online, especially on social media, and very much so on LinkedIn. I think that's a great step in the right direction for us. I'd say, yeah, marketing, recruitment is going to help tremendously in terms of the growth for 5-Star, just in general as a whole, because we don't even see the opportunities that having an online presence in marketing is creating for us. I know from a recruitment perspective, when we are, interested in a candidate and pursuing that candidate, they have something that they can look at and actually learn more about the company rather than, maybe just one platform or just having no idea in general what home health really is.
No, it really helps being able to track everything digitally, which Gabriel has done a great job of. We're able to see the clicks, what social media platforms are doing the best, what ads are working. It's
Big
right
thanks
there.
to Gabriel. He's one of our newer employees, and he's been killing it. He's behind the camera right now.
I'm just going to stay behind the camera.
Stay behind.
You know what, Gabe? Come over here. No, I'm kidding. I would say, yeah, we have a lot of exciting things coming in the near future, especially some things that we can't even mention yet. But one thing that we really like to focus on is that we are trying to develop a fully integrated care model where we are not only providing one sort of type of care within the home. We're providing, like I said, home-based primary care. We're providing skilled nursing, PT, OT. We're providing everything that you would want in a healthcare facility. We're providing everything that you would need in terms of healthcare in your home, especially for our geriatrics. And yeah, I mean, it's very exciting. So I know one thing Johnny likes to talk about a lot is how healthcare is fragmented. And one thing we like to pride ourselves on is being a one-stop shop for all your healthcare needs. So all of those, different services that we provide in the home is something that we are very passionate about and think is a amazing thing that we have going on here at 5-Star.
Yeah, everything is within 5-Star. You have your primary care provider, you have your nurses, therapists, even daily caregiver at home. So it's really nice that everything is under one umbrella.
Right. Yeah. And that's the goal here. We just want it to be a one-stop shop for all your healthcare needs. And we're still growing. I mean, this is just the beginning as we like to look at it. So we have big things ahead, and we hope you guys come along for the journey. It's very exciting. So everything here at 5-Star is definitely connected is what I can see from a recruitment perspective. So on the sales side, as they grow our census, we need to recruit more. So we are currently seeking, PTs, OTs, RNs, as well as a few other positions. But, you can really see how important it is to get these positions filled because we need the coverage. That's how rapidly we're growing. And yeah. And in terms of our candidates, we're getting several good candidates. I think that ties into the fact that we are growing and we are making our presence felt in the community. And, clinicians want to work for us, whether they are currently in another home health care agency or they are working in a facility, they want to come join 5-Star. So, I mean, as a business analyst, talk about what you do on a daily basis. I'm sure it changes every day, but what are some things that you've been working on recently?
Right, yeah, every day is different. I also do insurance authorizations and orders here, so I'm always in contact with insurance companies, hospitals, and doctors' offices. But people will reach out to me for tablet assistance or in the office computer help, and I always try to do the best I can to help them there, solve it on the spot. If I can't, I'll do a little bit of research and try to figure that out.
Yeah.
But
yeah, Christian's definitely a hero here. He's typically behind the scenes. We've got him in front of the camera now, but Christian's a man of many hats, and I always see him helping everyone here. So, we definitely have a big thank you to give to Christian. So we appreciate his work, and we appreciate everyone's work. And we just want to credit all of this growth and everything happening at 5-Star to our amazing team. We have so many people in different departments working behind the scenes to make things happen and get things rolling. So yeah, big thank you to everyone from Johnny, our CEO, to Kathy, our COO, Linda, Chief of Staff. She helps me do all the recruiting interviews and so many other things that go unnoticed. our entire Chantilly team here in office, our Winchester team, the branch managers over there, and our team that's going to be opening Fredericksburg. Big thank you to you, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be able to have this growth. Any other like shout outs that
Yeah, our intake, our schedulers, our care coordinators, everyone does such a great job in making sure that our patients get care they need. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to hear more about us, feel free to check out our website, whether it's to join our team, receive care, or just learn more about us.